Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will solve a previous year JAM question. This question came in the JAM 2023 physics paper. It is a problem related to the logic gates and where we need to calculate the value of x and y while a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Okay, so we will solve this problem in two ways. One will be the type 1 and one will be the type 2. Okay, so I will go through the each type. So before that we need to know what is this gate and what is this gate. Okay, this is a OR gate and this is a AND gate. Okay, so we need to know the functions of this gate. This is a symbol of a OR gate. So if we give input A and B and if the output is Y, then we can write down output Y is equal to A plus B, and the truth table will be A, B and Y. Okay, so what is truth table? Truth table will be if we vary the value of A and B, right? And we know that in the digital, the input will be only 0 and 1. So if we vary the value of A and B by 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, then what will be the value of Y? Right? Here we can see Y is equal to A plus B. Then we can write down if A 0, B 0, then Y is equal to 0. A0 B1 then y is equal to 1, A1 B0 then y is equal to 1, and A1 B1 then y is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the OR gate, and the next gate is AND gate. So if the input A and B then output is y, then we can write down y is equal to A dot B. Okay, so here the truth table will be A, B and y. So the input will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay, so the output will be 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay, so this is the truth table of AND gate and this is the truth table of OR gate, and this is a function of OR gate and this is a function of AND gate. Okay, so now let's go to the problem. So this is the this one will be the type 1. Okay, what we will do? Okay, so let's solve this problem by type 1. Okay, so what we will do here, we will write down the function x is equal to how much and y is equal to how much with respect to a and b, and then after we get the value of x and y, then what we will do, we will put the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. I think a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, right? Yes, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Okay, so let's start. So here is A and B, right? So this is the OR gate. So we can write down this point, we can write down is the Q1. So Q1 will be A plus B. Okay. And this point we write down P1. Then P1 will be A into B. Okay. So this point will be what? This one will be Q2. Okay. So we can write down Q2 is equal to what? Q2 is equal to Q1. This will be one input and another input is the P1, right? So you can write down P1 P1 plus Q1, right? So we can write down P1 is how much? AB, and Q1 is how much? A plus B. So if we simplify this expression, then we will get A to 1 plus B plus B. So what will be the value? A plus B. Okay, and this is the P2. So P2 we can write down P1 and Q1. So Q1 is how much? A plus B, and P1 will be A into B. Okay. So from here we can write down A multiplied by AB plus B multiplied by AB. So we can write down what? AB. Okay. So here we get AB and here we get A plus B, right? So you can see this value is similar with the Q1 and this value of P2 is similar with P1, maybe, right? So from here we can easily write down x is equal to x is equal to a plus b and y is equal to a into b, right? So if we put the value of a 1 and value of b 0, then what will be the value of x? X is equal to 1, okay? And if we put the value of a 1 and b 0, then y is equal to what? 0, okay? So we can write down the answer will be x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, okay? So this will be type 1. And then type 2. In this one, what we will do, we will directly put the value of 1 here and 0 here, okay? So 1 and 0 or would be how much? 1. And 1 and 0 and will be how much? 0, okay? Then this one will be here and this 0 will be here. And this is 1, sorry, this is 1 and this is 0. So 1 and 0 or get 1, 1 and 0 and get 0. Similarly, here 1 is this one, 0 will be this, and this point will be 1 and this point will be 0. So then we can write down x is equal to what? 1, y is equal to what? 0. So you can see this is a simpler process. Okay, this is very simple. So when we will do this type of problem in the normal exam, like the Calcutta University, Jadavpur University, in your normal exam, then you need to use this process. Okay, this type of process. But if you get this problem in JAM or GATE, then we need to do in this way. This one maybe take will be maximum will be 30 seconds. Okay, so I think in the both types you will get the same answer. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Here you also get the same thing. So if we go to the question, then you can see which one will be the answer. Answer will be B. Okay, so we can write down the answer will be B. Okay, thank you. One more thing. So maybe in from the next month, I will start the new class from the digital electronics. Okay, where I will start from the number system, and I will cover all of the topics from the combination logic circuit, sequential logic circuit, and also I will go with the microprocessor.
Thanks for
Okay,
your time.
thank
Please
you.
do share this concept with your friends. And if you like this video, please press the like button. It is really means a lot for me. Bye bye.